Hello everyone, welcome to Silan Software. In this video, we will see a Java program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. One point I have added without taking reverse. So basically, we know a string is palindrome. How I will check? Suppose this is a string value. So input value when it equals to the reverse value. Suppose KATAK cutoff. This is my input value. If I will find the reverse of this string value, so that is also KATAK. So input value equals to the reverse value, then we can say that string value or string is palindrome. But my question is different without taking reverse. Maximum time the interviewer ask this question. You see, so very simple logic for this. We will write the logic. So logic is very simple. Without reverse, we can find, we can check a string is palindrome or not. You see, this is zeroth index, every string. So it is nothing but a character array. 0, 1 index, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So in zeroth index, the character k is present. Length is 5. So very simple analysis. You see in every palindrome string. So this k first character, last character is same. Then this character is same. Then one character will remain or no character will we will get. So maybe one character will remain or no character we will get. So this is the very simple logic. So in a string value, first character, this character, same. This character, same. So then that string is palindrome. So for this, we will write the logic. Now I am using IntelliJ IDEA environment. You can use any environment. You can use Eclipse. You can use simple Notepad. So that depend upon you. Now my task is I will give the input value at the runtime through the keyboard. Any string value. So when I will test, so one string I will check for palindrome and one string I will check for not palindrome. So first of all, I will import a package, import java.utility.star package, scanner class that I will bring to the picture because scanner class coming from java.utility package. So that's why I wrote star. Star means all classes and interfaces. Instead of star, you can write scanner. Okay, so first of all, I will take the variable. So let my one input variable I will declare let str and I will find the length. So let int l, let one variable like count, like not exactly that, one variable. Suppose I took, let's see, let I initialize as 0. I will explain why a variable I took and that variable I initialized as 0 let. Okay, so now I can write scanner is equals to new scanner within bracket. I will write system.in. So this part already we have known. So scanner object I created. system dot in representing keyword. So at the runtime, so the keyword I will give the input value, one output statement. Suppose I am writing system dot out dot println, enter a string, whatever you write. Okay. So now I will write str equals to s dot next line. So next line method is a built-in method coming from scanner class. So that's why it is invoking by scanner object s. So what is the purpose of next line method? Next line method returning a string value to str. So str is my input variable. Now I will write the logic, business logic. I will write first of all. I will find the length of a string value. So str dot length method. This point we have known. Length method representing the length of a string. Suppose my input is k a t a k. So the length is 5. So logic as per the analysis. So we have to write the logic. So first character and last character. Okay. So you see first character. Char out of 0. K. Char out of 4. So this type of logic we have to write. So I am using a for loop for int I equals to 0. I is less than, let L minus 1 divided by 2 I plus plus. I will explain what the logic I am writing. I will explain. The logic is simple. One for loop I wrote. So once a condition is true, loop body will execute. But in for loop, what I have taken, so one loop body is one if else expression. So if str dot caret of I double equals to str dot char art of, okay, L minus 1 minus I, okay, then if condition is true, I will explain. If condition is true, then if body will execute, if body is continue. Okay. If condition is false, then else body will execute. So else body is C++. So let a variable C I have taken. So else body is C++. So this is for loop body. So for loop body I presented, that is nothing but an if else expression. I will explain what is the business logic what I wrote. So this is the else part, this is the for loop part. Then simply I will write after for loop body. So if I will write one simple condition, if C equals to 0, okay, system dot out dot println, okay, the given string is palindrome. The string is palindrome, or the given string is palindrome, else system dot out dot println, the given string, the given string is not palindrome. So this is the logic. So in this way I wrote. Okay, so first of all we will see by taking an example. So first of all I will find the length. You see length is 5. Then you check. So int I equal to 0. 0 is less than L minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2, condition is true. Once condition is true, then a loop body will execute. So this portion is loop body. So here loop body is nothing but an if else expression. And we know if condition is true, then if body will execute, otherwise else body will execute. You see now 0 is less than 2, condition is true. Now control will execute this part. So we know that in which way that the control treat if else expression. If condition is true, then if body will execute, otherwise else body will execute. So if str dot caret of I, the I value is 0. So char out of 0 double equals to char out of 0. Char out of 0, that is k. K double equals to str dot char at. Caret is a built-in method in string class. The purpose is it returns a specific character at a specified index. Char out of 0. In 0th index, which character is present? So it will return that character k. Similarly, char out of L minus 1 minus I. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 0, that is 4. So char out of 4. Char out of 4, that is k. So k double equals to k. So if k double equals to k, that means if k double equals to k, condition is true. Once condition is true, then if body will execute. So if body is continue, so what is the purpose of continue statement? One iteration will skip. Now the value of I is 0. So iteration is the value of I is 0. Immediately it will skip, that is 1. Now when continue statement will execute, so one iteration will skip. So now the value of I is 1. So 1 is less than, again, L minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 by 2, 2. Yes, 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Again, body will execute if str dot caret of I, the value of I is 1. So char out of 1, in 1a, the character A is present. Double equals to str dot char out of 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1. Now the value of I is 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So char out of 3. Char out of 3, in 3 index A is present. So A double equals to A. So now condition is true. So when condition is true, again continue statement will execute. So continue statement means one iteration will skip. Now the value of I is 2. So now 2 is less than 2 because L minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 is less than 2, condition is false. So when conditional section becoming false, then loop terminate. Okay, so loop terminates, then control will go to this execution. Now, what is this? If C double equals to 0, if C double equals to 0, already I have taken let there is a variable C, I have initialized as 0 let. So yes, if C is 0, then string is palindrome. If C is not 0, then string is not palindrome. So when C is not 0, if condition will be false, if the string is not palindrome, in that case first character, suppose if first character and last character is not matching, not equal, if not equal, then else part will execute C++, then 0 plus plus, that is 1. So if C equals to 0, if it is false, then else part will execute. When else part will execute? When C is 1. Okay, so In this way, we wrote the business logic. Now I will check. So I will hit run. We will check, enter a string KATAK, cutoff, enter. You see the given string is palindrome. Okay. So again, suppose I will run, enter a string. Okay. Suppose I will write Java. You see the given string is not palindrome. Again, suppose I will hit run. Okay. Suppose I will write MADAM, madam. You see the given string is palindrome. So that means any type of string we will take. Now the application will give the output whether that string is palindrome or not. So I hope everybody enjoy with this video. Thank you.